In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDF on Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever tried to email a large PDF or upload it to a portal and hit a size limit, compressing the file is the simplest fix. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means so you keep your document clear and readable while shrinking the size. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Any recent version will work, and the compress feature may appear as a tool that requires a subscription in some editions. Make sure the app is up to date so the interface matches what you see here and the compression engine performs at its best. Once Acrobat is open, head to the home screen. In the Recent section, you'll see thumbnails or a list of files you've opened lately. Select the PDF you want to work with so it opens in the main window. If it's not showing in Recent, you can open it from your computer's folders inside Acrobat and proceed the same way. The key is to have the document active and visible inside Acrobat before moving on. With your PDF open, look to the left side of the window for the Tools area. This is the panel where Acrobat groups all of its actions, from editing to organizing pages. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. Take a second to scan the categories. Knowing where things live here makes future tasks much faster. Find and choose Compress a File in the Tools section. Acrobat will either prompt you to confirm the current file or let you pick a different PDF. After selecting your file, you'll see options to balance size and quality. Most versions offer quick presets like high, medium, or low compression. High keeps the best visual quality with a modest size reduction. Medium is a reliable balance for most documents. Low creates the smallest file but can soften images or diagrams. If advanced settings are available, you can fine-tune image downsampling and compression type for scanned pages and embedded images. A helpful tip: text-heavy PDFs usually compress well without much loss, while image-heavy brochures may need a medium setting to stay sharp. When you're happy with the choice, apply the compression. Acrobat will process the file and, in many cases, show you how much space you saved. If prompted to save, give the compressed version a new name so you preserve the original. Finally, take a quick look through a few pages to confirm charts, photos, and small text still look clear. That's all there is to it. Your PDF is now lighter and easier to share.